Give stick.
I'm never gonna pass, am I? Hello, fellow learner. Oh, Jesus Christ, man, that scared the shit out of me, that one.
Driving lessons with Benji and Alexei. Is it comfy? Is it safe? Yeah. You got your special shoes on? Yeah, you got to press the button first. Press the button.
Oh, it's a button, is it?
Yeah, press the button.
What?
Press the button.
No, with the brake in.
Press the brake in. Oh, Jesus Christ.
What am I doing? At the same time or what?
Push the brake down. Press the button once. There you go. Park. P. Yeah.
Reverse.
Neutral. For go backwards.
Drive.
N for neutral. Don't put it in neutral. And D for drive. Right.
That's what I just said.
Okay. So put it in D.
How do I put it in duh?
What do you think you have to do?
I don't know. I would have just tapped the thing.
It's not touchscreen. Right. Rotate the knob.
I've rotated the knob.
Right. When you take your foot off, it's going to drive a little bit. Take your foot off and see what happens.
What, the brake?
Yeah.
Just all the way off?
Yeah. Right.
We're going to go.
Hand on the steering wheel.
Yeah. Hands on still.
Ooh.
Now we drive in.
Which way are we going?
Remember, your left foot stays where it's to, okay? Let's go left a bit.
You're only allowed to do 5 miles an hour right there.
Yeah.
5 miles an hour.
Yeah,
Which way are you going? Up here?
Going up this way. Oh, we're gonna go for safari. Right, the brakes are pretty sharp, Ryan. Hold on. Just gently brake.
Can we get around this corner first?
Yeah, we go around the corner first. That's fine.
Pillow there, like.
Yeah. Put the pillow.
Got a pillow.
Put the peak on a pillow. Right, get the pillow ready. When we get straight-ish, just try your brakes because you don't know how sensitive they are in this thing. See, she corners quite well, didn't she?
Yeah.
Right, you can brake now. Ooh. Yeah. Good brakes.
Yeah.
Right, stop.
What happened?
You've broke it now, haven't you? It's just stopped.
Ryan.
Accelerator.
Take your foot off the brake and just go. Good evening, campers. Good evening. So how are you feeling driving this thing?
Quite like this one.
You like this one? It's not quite as fast as mine, no. Are you going to shuffle?
I didn't shuffle.
You didn't shuffle? You're going to try to shuffle?
Don't need to shuffle this one. It's quite easy, isn't it?
It is quite easy. It's you got electric steering on this one, that's why.
Where am I going now? Up here?
Oh, you go wherever you want.
Well, that's Safari Village.
Yeah, watch out for the dog bin.
You completed training, so.
Completed training.
Should we go for a manual now? Should we go manual?
Let's
Wait, Alexei, where are you going? Where are you going? You're going back onto the road.
Yeah, that's where we're going.
Uh-oh. Let me out.
Where am I going now?
Well, we go left or right, whichever way you want. Oh, just slow down a bit.
So,
Yeah, that's it. Oh, not bad braking.
right, now go to the left, I reckon. It's quite bendy.
Why does it stop like that?
Oh, it does that. Let's turn that off.
I put auto brake on. Yeah, it's on. The auto brake's on.
Why does it do that?
It's
Because it's automatic.
it basically tries to help the stupid drivers. Oh, dear.
The car can
Brake gently.
Yeah.
That's right. Just let him through.
Give him a little flash bend.
There, you can see we're a learner. Right, just go. I don't.
Go on,
Just go slowly. Just accelerate gently because it's going to take the brake off. There you go. I don't know what he's doing. Right, gently slow down. We just pull. Pull
in a bit.
Yeah, just go right up on the curb. Go on. Left. Go round him. Because he made that difficult for us, didn't he?
Oh, yes, Alex. Done no.
High five. Yeah, let's not go off road then, because this is a bit like un-off-roady. Don't jam on the brake. Just use it to slow you down or to stop you from speeding up more. Yeah.
You won't ever stall.
Yeah, it won't stall. It won't.
So
let you.
automatics don't stall?
Yeah,
No.
If it do, then there's something wrong with it.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, they don't stall.
Where's your indications anyway?
Same as mine.
Right. Look in the mirror, your left mirror or right mirror.
Both
left?
Ooh, mirrors.
Where are we actually going?
Go
So
left,
so
go left,
long.
You can literally go wherever you want. There's no one about it.
So
It makes a difference.
Vanguard.
Yeah, there was people about though, wasn't there?
We're exploring. That's what you do when you're learning. You just explore everywhere.
I can't wait to get on the road again.
On the road again.
Oh, this looks like the posh place, doesn't it? They got all their Range Rovers and that. Apart from that one, that's a little Peugeot, but whatever. So.
And what the fuck is that? Like a toaster.
Whoa.
Don't say whoa, because then you just made me breathe. Why'd you do that for?
Go
I didn't-
straight, go on a little bit.
Where are we going? Because I'm so kerfuffled right now. You're stressing me out, Ryan.
Wipe the
Just go-
sweat away.
I haven't sweated it. Go, just pull forward a bit, and then we'll do a bit of reversing.
Oh
reversing.
dear. There's no one around, so
Is that too rough?
Twister. Right, now look in your mirrors. Is there anything there? Is there any poles or trees or squirrels that we're going to crash into?
No, you should be
Have a good old look. All right?
Yeah.
look in that mirror because we're going to be turning that
Yeah.
way, right? So just
And this is where I get
Turn
confused.
it. Turn it that way. Yeah.
once you start going, you just steer, and then you eventually you'll go. All right, I know which way to go.
We're gonna
The only way you can do it is just to do it and learn. Yeah.
go. Yes.
Get on the brake. Ready on the brake. Not accelerate, Alexei. Put your foot on the brake pedal.
Lovely bit of reversing.
Stop. Brake. Should we just take a minute to relax? Okay. Ignore the knobhead at the back. Right. If we're going backwards down a hill, it will roll. You don't need to accelerate.
I
You had
know
your foot.
that,
I was saying you had to put
My
your
foot
foot.
wasn't on it.
No, but your foot wasn't on the brake pedal ready.
It
Just
wouldn't
stop
roll
us.
back if it's in drive anyway, because it would just hold through.
In this one.
Yeah.
But in
So if I
general.
put my foot off the brake now, we're just...
Oh, nothing happened.
Yeah,
Take your foot off and see what
right
happens.
there. Automatic
There you go. It holds you because there's a stupid little.
Is there no handbrake then?
Well, yeah, but there is that's handbrake.
That's a handbrake.
Yeah, poor isn't it?
Oh my, it's definitely easier, isn't it?
See, love it. You didn't
You're
want,
not having an automatic.
you didn't want to dabble.
You're not having an auto. You're having a manual. All right. You need a knob to grab hold of. All right.
I've already got one of them.
Oh, you're disgusting. All right. See if you can do it yourself. Go on.
Foot on the brake.
Right, we're gonna go duh.
Yeah. Is there anything in these?
No.
Well, there
Chuck
it
them
is.
out the window in a minute.
No, we won't chuck them out window, Ryan.
Which way are we going from the get up here?
The way we came.
Say that again because they're going to kill you in the comments.
Put it in the recycling bin.
All right. Thank you. Let's go.
Watch the kid.
Yeah, watch out for that dog as well. Actually, watch out for the kid, not the dog. Don't worry about the dog.
Don't be nasty, man.
Well, you can't hit children, but you can hit dogs, apparently. I don't know.
Well, you said to me, if there's anything in my way, you just have to ignore it.
Animals, yeah. You wouldn't ignore a
Yeah.
child or anything like that. If you see an old lady crossing the road with shopping, you've got to stop.
Maybe a pigeon.
Pigeons, yeah, you can hit them. They're fine.
And they just explode.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's just nasty.
Wait till you hit a pigeon when you're actually driving. You just look at your back mirror and you just see a massive
Loads of
cloud of
feathers.
feathers. It's like a complete mess.
Or if you drive over like a squirrel, you're at top of that.
I've never hit a squirrel. Still reckon we should go off road. Oh, look at that doggy.
Archie will be happy with that, eh?
Really?
So what's our plan then? Where are we going?
Go down by the beach.
We're actually going to go on
yeah,
the road.
Fuck it. She's got her plates on.
You're going to have to record from the back, mind.
Why?
Because I can't hold the
Why don't you
phone.
just go and get one of your cameras?
Oh, careful. That was a bit fast, wasn't
Because
it?
we're going. Oh, this is the bottom of the hill, isn't it?
Yes, Alexei.
You can accelerate a bit more because we're going
Watch the
uphill.
pedestrians.
No, but they got a path to walk on. That's their own fault, innit?
There actually isn't no path.
Well, they got a little grassy bank to protect themselves. Right.
To the beach.
There might be a car coming around this corner, so go careful. Just get ready to slow down and stop if you need to. Not bad. Go on, go around. He's fine. Let's stop before we get to the end, though. Right, stop here. Let's
You
let him
can't
through.
stop here.
Well, you could have done
Oh,
stop.
there's a curb in front of us.
Right, remember you got to turn. You got to steer left when.
Right.
Yeah, that's right. He's right. I'm wrong.
That's her.
You're welcome. Right, turn right now. Don't accelerate yet. Just start turning right. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right. A bit more. There we go. Now we can go. Go. There we go. We just missed that. Oh, he's got some poop in that. He has.
You need to put our seatbelts on.
Right, we'll stop here then. Don't pull over too far to left. Right a bit up. Stop. Now let's put our handbrake on.
You definitely get
There isn't a handbrake.
There is. It's a button.
This one.
Yeah, that's the one. No, handbrake.
Indicate left.
Just push the fucking button. All right, we're holding. Put it in park. High five! Great success. I'm going to borrow this cushion just in case. This is the cushion of safety. Why is it an old lady cushion? Why has it got frills on it? Look at that. Just go steady over the bumps because this thing's quite low. It's not like mine.
Oh yeah, we've had scrapings.
Oh, there we go. That's your exhaust. Go on, get right over to the left. And when anyone coming can see that you're coming then. Oh dear, oh dear. I felt that. I felt
It's
that.
not my fault, is it?
But yeah, you're driving. Just go over it slower. When you are approaching that line, start to turn left, okay? You want to line yourself up for a turn. So when you start getting close to it, you slow down and you start to turn left.
Look in that mirror first before you slow down.
Because I can go carry on then if there's no one cars.
And I would stop here because it's a nasty corner.
Indication.
Stop here. Right. It's clear our way, so we can just go. Right, nothing up there.
Go on.
Yeah, there's cars.
Right, wait for him then. That's what you do. You just stop and wait.
when you grow some balls, you would have went before that.
Yeah,
would have then, but
when
there
you
was
get a
no
bit better,
time.
you'll be able to pull out in time. So you can go now.
Make sure you over the shoe.
Going down here, yeah?
Yeah, the strap. So get into the traffic lights.
Right, this knobhead might try and reverse out because he's got his reverse lights on. Just watch out for him.
Who have?
He have, hasn't he?
Nope.
Or is that reflection?
Reflection.
No, he's got his reverse lights on, look.
No, he just turned them on. He's like, really cool.
Knobhead. Top tip, Alexei, don't reverse onto a main road.
I do.
Yeah, you do, because you're a knobhead.
Get where you've got to stop.
You said no go as I brake.
See, that was one of those times where you could have slowed down, but carried on moving. If
That's
there's,
what I was gonna do.
yeah, you're a bit harsh on the brakes then. Right, try it here. Right, start slowing down now. We want to just sort of crawl along. Slow down a tiny bit more. Indicate left. Is there anything coming from the right?
Always got to give way to the right.
See, it's clear. So you just carry on poodling range, yeah? You don't always have to stop. Okay? You only stop if you have to stop to let someone through. Yeah, like that, see? You got a bit closer, you can see both ways, so you think, right, there's like nothing there, so let's just go for it.
So now this is the bit I'm gonna hate now.
Right, so you stop here, the blockage is on our side, stop back a bit. You want to keep well back from them cars, because then you got more space to move around, yeah?
Nice clear.
Right. Now we've got our road position, yeah? Anyone else is coming over that hill has to wait for us to carry on going past them cars, yeah? You'll get dickheads like try and ram you out the way. But if you're already like going past something like that, a blockage, and then a car suddenly turns up, they have to stop for you.
So now I'm
Steer out
worried
a bit.
about going. How close am I to these
No, you're
cars?
quite close. Get over. Because if a small child or any like sort of knobhead decides to jump out, yeah, you're going to be too close. So if you stay out, you always got time to do something about it, yeah? Either stop or swerve. Yeah?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, mate, you will go like, a little bit slow over them bumps. My fucking ass.
You got a nice ass.
Yeah, well, you're going to ruin it, keep going over them bumps.
You got a very.
That's what I had, one of them, Ryan.
Suzuki.
That little beastie off-roady thing.
Scrap.
I like that, they're cute, aren't they?
Let's go a bit.
They're cute. And do you want to park in the bus stop?
No.
You don't?
No.
Okay. When is the only time you're allowed to stop in a bus stop?
If you break down, maybe.
Or if you're driving a BMW? I would stop at the end because you can park, keep going. So go straight across that roundabout where that big red thing is, just stop down there.
Go over a bit.
Go
Go over a
down
bit.
there, can you?
Yeah, well, you can't drive down there, but you can stop just up on
Probably
the...
double yellows for a minute,
Yeah.
so we could relax.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy that though?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it again?
Can we do it in your car this time?
Yes.
Oh, so let her drive my car first.
I love them things. Look, they've made it look like a BMW van. They've given it like the front end of a BMW. How tragic is that, Alexei?
Very.
Very. Did you have fun then?
Yeah.
High five. You can say great success.
Great success.
I need to go. Don't drive off without me.